Yeah, so far mokete o ntse o tsamaya hantle. Safe to say, as is usually the case, we got rained out. Pula ke ena, empa moshito o tswela pele, so they say. We are still going to have a lot of fun. Mme re leboha haholo Basotho ba bile teng. Pula ena kapo e le siyo, we know they will come in numbers. Mme ka nnete ra ba leboha hore ebe ba na le rona tsatsing la kajeno. Yeah, it's been a journey. It's been a journey of 21 years. I think more than anything else, there are two things that are important. One, we are undisputed supporters of the arts. Mme re rata ha Basotho ba thaba le rona, re tseba hore re mixe kaofela o be monate during this time. And for us, this is what we are saying is a contribution and to the music industry, to the arts. Support. These are some of the things that they will be seeing over and over again, 21 years down the road and 21 years to the future, even more. Thank you so much.